guys, this was my journey to Venice. I hope you like that. And for the last point, I want to show you how transport works in Venice exactly, and I want to show you how bus is like in Venice. Okay, let's go.
È possibile verificare il modello di cambio della Il treno regionale delle ore 12:27 per Bassano del Grappa è in partenza dal binario 17.
Welcome to Venice, a city like no other, built on more than 100 small islands. Venice has no rules, just canals. These waterways have been Venice's lifelines for over 1,000 years, and now let's explore the magic of this floating city together.
One of the Venice's greatest challenges is that it's sinking. Due to rising sea levels and subsiding land, Venice experiences frequent floods known as the aqua alta. Scientists are working on solutions like the MOS project to protect this irreplaceable city from the sea.
So the Grand Canal in Venice, known as Canalazzo, is the main waterway in Venice, over 2 miles in S-shape through the heart of the city. Along of this canal you will see over 100, 200 and hundreds buildings, different buildings from the ancient Romans. Each tells its own story of Venice.
Venice is home to one of the world's most unique bookstores, Libreria Aqua Alta. Here, books are stored in waterproof bathtubs, boats, and even a gondola to protect them from floating. The shop is a quirky, must-visit spot for book for book lovers and curious travelers alike.